Hello guys, welcome back to Daily Entertainment Bars right here on GH TV. Please, if you are new here, kindly subscribe to this channel and also click on the bell icon right next to the subscribe button. And also don't forget to also drop your comment in the comment section below. Give this video a thumbs up and also share this video with your friends and loved ones.
Where's the crack? No, me have this in my me not me too keke.
Yeah, but when you're on stage, you
know, the vibes. Inshallah,
you service about who asa you who 3 packs and not 4.
And we are 6.
Hey, sorry. You who 6 packs.
Okay.
You know,
sometimes we should tight and everybody not blow is not draw. No, we see.
What the end of the the guy will premiere.
Yeah, the movie premiere.
Yeah, me best woman. What fella McAfee na uso ni muno.
That's right.
You very Kidi na ne bema sorry for the trousers.
From Honda gonna be so bibi.
Is that your baggy?
You say them say baggy.
Baggy from WhatsApp. Me said I say shatter the views we pay. And that shatter say see Gara people, when you put your wallet for your back but enya munkwa enya wo enya shata bula raise where and miss Ghana girls be so miss Malaika na just say Kidi we be a untumi nsha wo so as oba so mu a na watinka ba
and that's our mom but me obema
we bema now you nipa
I just say and your bonnet
and I'm just
flesh and blood
who sounds like a young blood we a young blood
fresh blood
and you tell them sugar
oh God
as I did no man microphone say hey sir Kidi nya small boy o I did the banana nya small a passes say we shall baggy trousers.
Baggy all the way.
But so far Ghana wo Kidi Shatta and Bulare Mona sabe publicly ye who say a ma so mu a mo be ma sorry wo mo trousers. Na Kidi won kwa sorry.
Me kwa sorry.
Say won conclude mu e den oba so mu ana wa dey sorry sir.
Oh so for no we are here. That's no worry you know. I didn't be a pope, but me pope there.
Yes. Ya baba be twetwen komo on the Kidi's brand new one released today. And Krofo started downloading, Krofo follow our YouTube. I call it the 3 Kings.
Yeah. We 3 kings.
The 3 kings on one song. Imagine 3 kings on one song. Kidi, Kuami Eugene, and Pato Ranking. It's spiritual. I check with the time, 35 minutes past 5 on.
Obi grandfather.
Obi day.
Obi grandfather.
Obi grandfather. Wako fa kokra. Nume koyi ma etoni. Edi chairman. Man osuka. Oh my God.
No matter your age. Once a man, always a man.
Oh. It's such a beautiful video.
Yeah, amazing.
And,
amazing.
Shout out to Rex.
Yeah.
For that wicked video. Now, Patoranke has been oversubscribed. Kuami Eugene has been oversubscribed. Where Kidi Nankasa Grandpa, you are oversubscribed. Now, oversubscribers and no one by no bako. Kuami Eugene, no the voice was on your chammy, no darling catcher, on the way. Pato ranking, any Kofi Kinata, Pato ranking on the way. Why, sir, Artisa, or more feature and conform to be brave, was uncle for Monday or Maton.
I said it's not about how many songs is featured on. I can't say, R. Kelly, I'm going to be Anka Chris Brown new piano, but it's not about how many songs they featured on, but it's about their individual talents, what they have and what they bring, the life they bring into music. What I say. So all the 3 of us combine a song, nice Avengers, will be having superpower, but then they are 2 now combined as a Captain Planet. Everybody brings their part together to form.
Who wrote the song?
Everybody wrote their part.
Okay, it's all parts in the one actually.
Yeah, I wrote my part in the chorus, Kuami wrote his part, Pato wrote his part, and I produced it with Richie Mensah as well.
Oh, beautiful one. Shout out to you, Richie Mensah. Oh my God.
Girl, your love is spiritual.
Girl, your love is spiritual. Your love the be. And that's the chorus.
That's all.
That's all.
Simple.
Oh my God. Girl, your love is spiritual. Girl, your love the be. Why would you use spiritual for love? If you need power. And you Christo do and you will yanko pondo nemo more bad do spiritual. Describe a spiritual love.
I was there, you drop your take. Now, what is a gospel be never drop? I say, sorry, you be sir, but I swear you be a. Was there, God is love. Love is God. Love is spiritual. God is spiritual. Was there equation number? As I say, I think say some kind of love and go for feeling man bad now feeling man the young or sometimes it goes beyond the human understanding. And the money is spiritual. Means we real soul, we real heart, we real body, so it makes the love very unexplainable. Spiritual things you can't explain spiritual things.
Kidi, you say open ma. Not me say you say open ma. Me casa open ma. You say open ma. And video so mo yi ma mo yi o mo honu o mo tonu o mo nufu and o mo digum. Unuya Kuami Eugene. Yahu say what do awurade or ye very yes
ma mix it too no
there be
ma mix it
yeah mix it
na me donya me pa video ni na me donya
Kidi yenti say what two gospel songs mpo
sir video actually I me two gospel no
but Yahu say Kuami Eugene say man kwan so one more gospel nyom kura obebo
onu de no also no be musician not sorry now your friend every Sunday. No, you Mafu Ministries, don't say that. So, you're so any good, you know, music.
I like that. You Mafu Ministries. Now, say me who preacher be a no, you know, sorry, your name, a friend is saying, a friend's on name, my BG.
Then they had it change your Gabriel wings when you choose. That's when the good ending of it anymore. I guess Uncle.
What's the message for your fans on this new one?
I just want them to go streaming. First of all, I like to say a big thank you to everybody who be out supporting me or holding me down. This new one is out. When you see me a yano, one country will be tell a friend to tell a friend. One country will boost your for video new YouTube. Go and stream it. Audio new will be a to be a should be a spiritual. Go and support love.
And you mean so at the reconciliation be aba. I'm a many ajipa.
What's that?
Now who's a one in Nana Romeo? Accra FM. Much a picture.
Oh my God. Your love is spiritual. I mean, they call me baby, and he was there. So I mean, I was polite. I was cordial.
Yeah. Oh, your boy is Kidi, Nana Romeo na sabi opamo ni fi ni show no and then Kidi ni na twa picture ama a chesampa love is spiritual.
Oh, it's a month of love, baby. It's a month of love.
Oh my God,
girl, your love is
Kidi, your love is spiritual. So thanks so much for coming.
Thank you, Abeku, for holding me
as
down.
Always, this is your home, and we're going to support this new project massively.
Thank you.
Kuami Eugene birthday, Obeka say on worry, and Kuami Eugene meaning the interview. I said, "Wokra wa wo ye born one, on worry,
born one, no bows or what then?
Oh, there be a who but what dear?
I made to
me and share condom.
Wow,
you condom. What's it? Your woman look like $1 billion. Me ne wo be wo akonoba. Ono na one ne wo ye na na.
But you were 50 max.
No, sir, we no more na me in some way fear. What say your woman look like? Is it my woman look like $1 billion? Me ne wo be wo akonoba. Nda buza say, one no na wo banana.
But no, but me banana wo no akonoba still.
Enti akonoba ne mame we.
Oh, okay. What's your? Okay. Obana brabo.
Okay. Enti ono ana be ware no.
Oh, there be.
Okay. I'm sure for yemfa is here. Kidi and the full spiritual. My interviews are 24 years.
Hey, I mean,
24 years.
Serious. Hey.
Ghana articles.
Oh.
My interviews are 24 years.
Every year, never bad be a say, interview might be see a big kunya.
That be men cache. Ya born one, come on. Baby, I dear, and you mean spiritual. And I want Kasa Kidi no. We are spiritual. I'm saying for many spiritual Kidi, yeah, they are spiritual show. Yeah, go out there on audio max, go on all the digital platforms and stream spiritual. Brand new one featuring Kuami Eugene and Pato Ranking. Kidi brand new one. Kidi video no so at YouTube called Neko Shebi.